So my name is Lennon Williams, better known as Mal. Well, finally, after months of planning and managing a project, it's come together. Tonight is Mal Presents live at Rascals in Bangor. I applied for the YPN purely because, again, I'm from North Wales. I don't see as much happening in the music industry in North Wales as I did when I was in Preston doing my Masters in Music Industry Management and Promotion. I saw the opportunity purely just from scrolling through Facebook one day, saying, are you 15 to 25 years old? You want to manage a project to do with music? And again, I thought that was my forte, so I might as well apply. What I've learned from my time on the project is I've learned how to manage my time better, working on projects and managing projects like this. Again, it's not an easy thing. You need a budget, you need to know quite well, you need connections. Again, being in North Wales, it is really hard, as again, it is not as much resources as you would think. But again, it's really been finding the right people manage time better. I found my experience with YPN really refreshing. Again, it's really good to see that there is an interest in the music industry in Wales, especially in North Wales. Really refreshing. For Bangor itself, I would imagine that it might have a very good impact, considering that, again, what I'm doing is purely different from your standard night out. I'm introducing house, minimal house, melodic house, deep house, not your real commercial type of house, it's more underground. So I feel like I'm giving that appreciation to the underground music scene. So hopefully with this, it might open more doors into underground music scenes in Bangor. I definitely would recommend this project to young people across Wales. Again, if you feel like you want to start out a project in the music industry, you're not sure where to go, what things are included with it, then YPN is a perfect project for it. You have amazing mentors like my man Lewis, shout out to Lewis, and Richard as well. They have the partnerships with BIM as well. They have tutors from BIM that will give workshops, and it's, again, you learn more each week.